Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Hi, so this is the third video on CLOCKIFY REST API integration in VBA, and in this video we are going to learn about this patch HTTP call method. And let me start one timer. So let's set to tutorial project task, and let me select project, so test project, and then start. So this timer is currently running on. Now you can see that stop timer. If you go into this documentation, CLOCKIFY developer API documentation, then you can see that to stop currently running time on workspace, we need to use patch HTTP method, and then we need to give this workspace ID, and then user ID, right? So at first we need to know this user ID, and in the first video I show you that how to get this workspace ID. So in this one I am going to show you this how to get this user ID. So if I go into this user section, and then you can see that there is get and then slash and then user, right? So here I have commented out that user, so I'll make this uncomment. So this one, also make this one comment, because this is data body, and for this user we don't need to send any data body. Now if I run this one in this section, then we'll get this user ID. So let's see. Yeah, so we get this user information, user ID, and then email address and name, other things. So basically we need this ID. So I'll get this ID, and then I have added one private constant CLOCKIFY API my user ID, so that is this one. So we just need to copy paste that one into this section. Now for this patch method to work, we need to uncomment this one, so comment this one and comment this one. Basically I'm trying to reduce duplicate code, that's why I have using this comment and uncomment part. Okay, now in this section you can see that in this stop timer, so stop timer, you can see that we need to send a request body, that is the end time of that particular task. Now in this one, right now this time is 11:51 a.m. so I'll put 11:59 or something like that, 59:41 second and Z. So this is that particular date we need to pass as a data body in this section. If I show you in this, so it's saying that for body, so this is that body. Now let me run this code. Let's delete this one. If we run this one, now you can see that YouTube tutorial task, that is this one, this is the task ID, user ID is this one, billable, task null, project ID, and other things like start and end, and then duration. So if I go into this section, now you can see that this YouTube tutorial task has been added in this section, means this timer has been stopped. Now this is the use of this patch method. So let me just clear some more confusion between this patch and put method. So basically if you use put method, then you will just replace that particular entry. Okay, so let's say I do have this one, and then I want to use put method. In this case it will just replace the whole entry and it will create a new entry. But in case of patch method, it just adds some validation, or it just change a particular part of this entry. So like it just stop that timer, instead of replacing everything, it just do a part of modification on that particular entry. So that is the difference between this patch and then put method. So this is all in this series, I guess. Let me know if you have any further question, or if you have any suggestion to make any other tutorial on this CLOCKIFY REST API series. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.